We will also learn like how to write the contemporary introductions. The contemporary introduction means in your sociology paper 1, okay, especially in the static topic. Here our topic is mode of productions and dialectics, okay. Learn how to make your introduction contemporary orientations, okay. Let's talk about the approach, like what kind of approach we will talk about the approach, okay. We don't give you any kind of sheet and we will talk you that these are the examples you have to incorporate or these are the definition you have to do the ratification. No, we will never teach you the ratification. We will teach you how to think, how to approach, okay. What kind of approach you should have, what kind of methodology you have to follow so that you become the independent, okay. You are not dependent on any coaching, any institute, any initiatives, so that you become independent. That is the whole idea we are bringing this series for you, okay. So first and all we are talking about how to write the contemporary introduction here. So while writing the contemporary introduction, there is some things or some principles that you have to follow. The first thing is, so you have to think the scope framework in your mind while framing any contemporary example in your introductions. Especially we are talking about the static kind of topics like your mode of production. If you don't know, like if you know any kind of examples, you have to think about that. And before thinking, you have to think in your this dimension. What is the scope framework, by the way? Okay, let's study it. What do you mean by scope? Okay, that is your scope framework. What is the scope? Here S refers to sociological concept. Sociological concept, I will explain them very well so that in the last you will understand how to interpret them and how to use the contemporary example in your introduction so that it look very much value addition. So S means sociological concept, C means your current example, okay, and O means your observation, and P means perspective, and E means entry, that means your answer, okay. So let's talk about that. So what do you mean by that? Take an example of this question. Critically examine the dialectics involved in each mode of production as propounded by the Karl Marx. Okay. So here generally what an aspirant will write in introduction, he will talk about dialectics and mode of production. So how can you make your introduction very contemporary one here? Okay, that is the question here. So take an example, we have seen in news the tech giant Oracle, there was a layoff, okay, due to the AI. Right? That was the very like famous news that was going on in our news media. That's the Oracle layoff. Okay, now you know the example. Your mind has such kind of examples. There can be another example you can think of. Like, so first and all, what approach I should have while framing the answer? So first, see the question here. This is the question. Okay. So what is the sociological concept it is asking? It is talking about the dialectics. Okay. So what is the sociological concept here? It is dialectics. Okay. Then after that comes here what kind of examples, okay, is very relevant to this, or you remember that is your Oracle layoff. Oracle layoff, ठीक है, AI टेक्नोलॉजीज की वजह से हो रहा है जो. Third comes your observation. What is the observation here? You have to link, you have to observe it, like how can you fit that example in your observations, your sociological observation that we did. So here we can think that how the productive force is advancing while the labor force face the displacement, how the technology is going upgraded version, the AI technologies are going very productive, while on the another side you can say the labor face very sad, like they are displaced. That is what the Oracle layoff is like teaching us, like that is your observation. Yes, it is right. So now comes your perspective. Perspective is what sociological thinkers talk about it. Okay, who is the sociological thinkers who will be rightly like fit in this kind of examples. So here comes our Marx dialectics. Okay, Marx dialectics came here. Now we know this background work. Dialectics is the concept. The current observation is Oracle layoff. That is here your current example come. You have do observation that Marx to talk about it. Okay, so that is all the thing you have now think. Now we will frame the contemporary introduction from it. So how can you write it? You can say like the recent AI driven layoff in tech companies, including Oracle, illustrate or highlights how the productive forces, like illustrate how the productive forces can create tension in labor relations. According to Karl Marx, such internal internal contradictions, dialectics. So overall, the approach we write it here, what you have learned, you have to tell them, you have to give an example as a general form that recently this happening, okay, in your company, and you have write Oracle, and after that we are seeing it highlighted how the productive forces. Here comes your observation part. Here comes your example. Now you have given your observation, and then you have linked it with your thinker part. Okay, that is what the scope is important. That is why this thing is important, because the sociological concept is important while thinking about an example. Is this fits here or not? Then comes your current example and observations here and this thing. Okay,